Hi guys, this is a Suzuki Swift 2019, one of this model. So this one shows oil change due. So I'll show you how to reset the oil light. So turn off the ignition and press and hold this button here and turn on the ignition 2 times. Press and hold it. There are a few messages, so all these messages will pass. It will take a couple of seconds. Press and hold it. Okay, now release it. Okay, and then you press the button again until it goes to the blank menu here. The menu has to be blank, nothing else there. And then press and hold again. That's it, you come to this menu. Now you can twist to this side or that side. So you go to oil change. Press that. Reset oil change. Press again. Press and hold. Yeah, it's successful. That's it. The oil change sign should not come again, should disappear. Yeah, all done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.